Hi there. Your first assignment, you just emailed me about that. So click on modules, go to introduction, all about me. So it says in this assignment, you'll be introducing yourself to your teacher by creating a Google slide. You may use images and upload photos. This really should be a unique and creative experience. The Google slide needs to include the following. So the important info, hobbies, interests, activities, and favorite things, and I have listed those here on the example. In red, it says you need to change the file name to your name and remember to upload it to Canvas. Do not share it on Google Docs. And then click here to make yourself a copy. So you have to click there and make a copy. The first thing I think you should do is change the name up here. Instead of copy of, you should change it to your name. Let's pretend my name is Gregory Pope. And then you can just double click and start filling in the information here on the slide. Hope this helps.